So Canva finally gave us some gradients. They have a pretty good stock collection here, but wonder if you don't want to use those colors. So what you need to do first is go up here to your plus, and what you can do is your style of your gradient. So your gradient can come in many different positions. But wonder if you don't want to use those colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to add colors. You can use a color code, you can use your color picker, you can use the slider to pick new colors. And if you pick that color and then we go over here, I'm just going to cheat and use a slider just for ease. And then add that one. Let's go back and put in some green. And so you can use as many. Look at that beautiful, groovy looking rainbow we got going on there. Let's see if we can get a yellow one behind it. I think yellow would make it look totally a boss. So yeah, look how groovy that looks. And you can create it and you can keep adding. I have not tested to see how many colors we can add. That might be fun. But for now, that's what we got going on. And if you don't like a color, you go up here to the little X, to the corner of the color. There's an X right there. Click it, and it's gone. And that's how you do your custom gradients. You can make it beautiful and yours and unique with all the colors that you love and not just the ones Canva gave you. And that concludes this short little tutorial. And much love from Michelle. Please like, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you again. Thank you for stopping by.